drag a photo in, drop it. ID, biometric, visa, all print ready in a few seconds. No cropping, no templates. In other programs, every photo means minutes of work. Adjust the crop, clean the background, retouch the skin, work out the country's size, place them one by one. For every customer, start to finish, the same tiring routine. With PhotoID Studio, it's all easy. Drag, drop. The crop, the background, the size, all set automatically. A US passport photo, print ready on a sheet in seconds. Need it for another country? Switch to the Schengen standard in one click. Size, margins, and layout, all set instantly to the exact millimeter. It removes the background automatically in seconds with a single tap. A clean, flawless edge. The legal standards of more than 130 countries in a single app. PhotoID Studio makes them all print-ready easily. Download PhotoID Studio today. Try it free for 30 days.